Alright guys, we're going to replace the sprocket seal on this Grom here. Because as you can see, it's leaving a couple spots, it's leaking. So first thing you will need, 8mm. Take this off. I'll just coat it in oil. So here's our sprocket. So now you're gonna need a 10mm. Okay, I'm gonna get some gloves because this thing's been leaking for a minute. All right. Make sure everyone can see. So with this, you have to spin it and then it slides off. So now what we can do is wiggle this off, get it out of the way, and now you can see my leak, how the seal's been damaged. So we're gonna pull that seal out, and luckily you do not have to split the case. Okay, go get trick. Hey. All right. I think it's fucking hard as plastic. Okay, now we're gonna clean this because we have to make it use adherable to put some tape on it. Here's our new seal. Here's the part number. It was $3, I think. The shipping was more than the part. Okay. All right, so there's the back, here's the front. So we're just gonna slide it over. Outside just to easier. I don't know how good the lighting is, but maybe I can set my phone. There we go. Okay, there we go. There's the grease. Now we just have to push it in. Clear. I'm gonna use this without anything in it, and we're just gonna slowly tap it. better than I thought it was going to. The sprocket back on. I like to push it all back. And remember this. It's just the back side, so you stick the back side on. Get it to where you can twist it. And then pull the sprocket forward. Use these tiny little bolts. Okay. Doesn't have to be crazy tight on these because you will snap them. Cool. And then you just have to put your cover back on and you're done. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna clean this up. It's been leaking forever and I always thought it was the speed sensor, but it's been that shaft seal the whole time. But yeah, that's how you replace that seal. Easy enough.